Okay, it just thundered and the lights went off and it was really kind of over my head, so now I'm kind of scared because the lights went out. I'm gonna cross the street just to get out from the trees because you're not supposed to go to trees. It'd be good to be a tree. It'd be nicely rooted, but oh crap. Here comes another thunderclap. I know another thunderclap is coming. This is freaky. Oh snap. More trees. Maybe I should run. Holy crap. I'm almost home. Ah, okay. Ha ha ha. Ha. Dog. People walking around. That's just me. And this crazy shitness of weather. Well, okay, it's one thunderstorm. Fuck. There's gonna be a thunderclap after that for sure. What? There it is. For those of you who don't believe that sound light control has in sound, there's your proof right there. Saw the lightning, captured it. Almost home. Doesn't mean I'll be safe though, mind you, but whatever. Oh look, my house is out of power. Holy crap! Okay, yeah, I'm running inside now. That one scared me. Oh, okay, I'm safe.